This is an update on my swing trade with Spxl, which is a 3 times leverage ETF, tracks the S&P 500. If the S&P goes up 1%, Spxl goes up 3%. If the S&P goes down 1%, Spxl also goes down 3%. So I've been in this trade now since July 20th. I got in when the price came down and broke the 50 MA line. I entered in on this candle once it made a new high over the previous candle. So I've been in since July 20th. And ever since the price closed above the 50 MA, I've just been moving my stop loss up along the 50 MA. This was the level of my original stop loss that only existed for the very first day of trading. And as soon as the price closes above the 50 MA, then I move the stop loss along that line. So right now it is in line with the 50 MA as far as Thursday. Today's Friday. That's right here. We still have a couple hours of trading, but the price isn't going to fluctuate that much. So we can go ahead and move it in place for Monday morning. So as of Thursday, the 50 MA was at 108.88. So this is probably one of the most satisfying things to do while you're swing trading, is to move that stop loss up as the price goes up. So on Friday, which is today, the 50 MA is at 109.29. So let me scale this up a little bit so that I can move it with more precision. So there's 109.29, but we can even do a little bit more. That's where the 50 MA is today. I can project as to where the 50 MA will be on Monday morning at the market open very easily by just looking at the difference between where it is today and yesterday, which is the difference of 41 cents. So if I move it up 41 more cents, so let's see, that should be 109.70. So again, just scaling up to make it easier to move this thing. So this is where the stop loss will be on Monday at the open, and we can enter that into our spreadsheet. By the way, these dashed lines represent 1R and 2R, so you can see that we're already well above the 1R mark, and it looks like we're at least going to get close to the 2R mark if the price continues to move up or even sideways or slowly down. Because even if the price starts to trail off here, the 50 MA will continue to move up. The rate may slow over time, but it will continue to move up until eventually the price comes down and touches the 50 MA. So no matter what happens from here on out, this stop loss will continue to go higher. We'll continue to make more money off of this trade, and we basically can't lose at this point. So it's a great place to be as a trader. Let's take a look at the spreadsheet right now. So this is my swing trade tracker. I have a very similar, a little bit more features, I guess, on the spreadsheet, downloadable from Patreon. So if you want to check that out. So that's at the $8 fully armored trader tier level. You can have access to all of my spreadsheets. Right now it's just the swing trade spreadsheet, but I'm going to be uploading my day trading spreadsheet up there very soon. I also have some very cool calculators that you can use for your trading that will help you calculate profit targets instantly. You can try different risk levels, things like that. And so if you join at this tier level, you'll have access to all of that stuff. All right, so back to the trade tracker. So let's put in the, so I already have it in actually. So, but let's just look at the difference, because we were at, on Thursday, we were at 108.88. I only have 3 shares in this trade. It's not a lot, but from 108.88, so we were, our P&L was $10.86, and now we're at 109.70. And the P&L is now $13.32. So that's a pretty nice little increase. And if you look over here, this is the trade that we're in right now. I entered on the 20th. We're still in it, so there's no exit date. My ideal entry was 105.24. My actual entry was 105.26, and this was my initial stop loss. So that gives me the risk. The initial risk was 3.42%. That's based off of the price of the stock, not my account size. My first day potential loss was $10.80. So on the very first day, we stood the chance of losing $10.80. So the fact that we're up $13.32 right now is pretty good. So, and that's with only 3 shares. So anyway, hopefully this video was helpful to you. As always, whether you're swing trading, day trading, investing, go into every single trade with a plan. You can see mine right here. It's just below where we were looking here on the chart. There's my plan for this swing trade. Stick to that plan no matter what. Honor your profit targets, always take your stop losses, and in the long run, you should be green. Take care.